Hey gang, look who just came out for the last part of the summer. The Little Dead Wagon. One of my favorite rigs. Actually, this is probably my favorite SEMA rig. No, not because my name's on it, although that's kind of cool. I just love the colors. I love what it stands for. It's such a neat homage to the original Bill Maverick's Little Red Wagon. I think it's just awesome. Of course, now we put this together with a Ray Barton 426 HEMI, blown with a BDS supercharger on it, 871. Puts out 970 horsepower, I think. Here's a look inside the bed. Tubbed out for the big tires. Finished off in stainless steel. Custom built the inserts on the tailgate that lights up inside there. It has neon lights in there. They're not working right now, of course. Got the wheelie bar on it, down low. See, it has some tires. I'll tell you, Doug and I have taken this out a few times for a ride, and it's a handful, to say the least. When you step on the gas, the front end seems to want to go up in the air, which makes it really difficult to steer. But let's sneak inside there and fire it up. Oh, let me show you. Yeah, I don't know how many of you have seen the inside. So you see that we did a cool tribute. Oh gosh, I don't know if you can make out those seats. They're shaped like a casket, the backs of them, the headrests, and of course they have the GYC logo in them. The headliner is tuck and roll velvet, as are the seats. And we retrofitted a pistol grip shifter to it. Pretty cool stuff. There's the driver's area. The rest, just like the way the factory did it, it was painted. We redid a lot of the chrome work on it. Let's get around here. Give it a little pump and see if we can fire the whole thing up. Alright, here we go. Turn the key on. Got to turn our fan on. We don't want to overheat. Turn on the fuel pump. Make sure this thing's in park. Pump the Moon Eyes gas pedal. There it goes. There's your look inside the Little Dead Wagon.